Unlock the full potential of Chat GPT. 10 life hacks for seamless conversations. Here are 10 life hacks for getting the most out of your interactions with Chat GPT. Be specific. When asking a question or requesting assistance, provide as much detail as possible. This helps Chat GPT understand your needs accurately and generate more relevant responses. Use bullet points or numbered lists. Organizing your questions or information with lists helps Chat GPT comprehend complex queries and produce well-structured answers. Experiment with temperature. Adjusting the temperature parameter can influence the creativity of Chat GPT's responses. Higher values, e.g., 0.8, yield more randomness, while lower values, e.g., 0.2, provide more focused responses. Limit response length. If you prefer concise answers, specify the desired response length to prevent Chat GPT from generating overly lengthy replies. Contextual prompts. If you're in a conversation with Chat GPT, you can refer back to previous responses using context to maintain continuity and improve understanding. Explore various task prompts. Chat GPT is multi-talented, so don't hesitate to try different prompts for various tasks, such as writing, problem-solving, or creativity exercises. Experiment with instruction styles. Chat GPT is responsive to different instruction formats. You can try asking in the form of a question, using imperative statements, or requesting pros and cons to explore diverse responses. Utilize system messages. In conversations with Chat GPT, you can use system messages to guide the model's behavior. Providing instructions in these messages can improve the relevance and accuracy of responses. Stay patient and iterate. If you don't get the desired response initially, try rephrasing or adjusting your prompt. Chat GPT's responses can vary based on the input, so iterating can lead to better results. Provide feedback. As Chat GPT is a learning model, it benefits from constructive feedback. If you find inaccuracies or areas for improvement, feel free to let the developers know, so they can continually enhance the model's capabilities. Remember that Chat GPT is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect. Employing these life hacks can significantly enhance your interactions and ensure you get the most value from the AI's responses. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to support the channel.